I am scientist Maya.
And I'm scientist Mia.
And today we will be growing our own marigolds.
So grab your bag, grab your Grow a Marigold lab, and let's get started.
Remember, scientists, we have put in an instructional booklet in your bag so you can follow along for every step that we do.
In your bag, you will find napkins, a cup, 3 cotton balls, your marigold seeds, a bag of soil, and then what you'll need to grab on your own is a pitcher or a jar of water and a bowl or a cup to hold some extra water.
Scientists, for our first step, we are going to start by putting our napkins into our plastic cup.
For your next step, you are going to pour some water into a bowl or a jar at home, and you want to take your 3 cotton balls and you're going to dip them into the water. Now notice how water is coming out of the cotton ball. We don't want it to be super wet, so Scientist Maya is going to squeeze her cotton ball, making sure that she's wringing out all of that extra water. You just want it to be a little bit damp. You are going to do that to your other 2 cotton balls.
Now we are going to be putting our seeds into our cotton balls. Scientists, you want to put about 3 to 4 seeds inside of each cotton ball. And just be careful when you're taking out the seeds because they're really small and they could get lost. Now you're going to open up each cotton ball and gently put 3 to 4 seeds inside of each of them. These cotton balls may be a little bit tricky to open, so just be very patient and careful. Good job, Scientist Mia. She put in all her seeds in her cotton ball and none of them are sticking out.
Now remember, scientists, we used some water earlier in our lab when we wet our cotton balls. We're going to use that same water and we are going to wet our napkins in our cup. Scientist Maya is just making sure that her napkins are a little bit wet. Now remember, scientists, do not flood your cup. It is very important that you're not pouring too much water. You just want enough to make sure that your napkins are wet.
Now, Scientist Mia is going to place our cotton balls with the seeds inside of it into our plastic cup. You want to put the cotton balls around the sides of your cup so you can see through your clear cup. By doing this, we are allowing our seeds to germinate, and the germination process takes around 4 to 14 days.
What does germinate mean?
Germination is actually the second stage in the life cycle of a plant, and it is when a seed sprouts.
It looks like our seeds have finally begun to sprout. Now for you scientists, it only took about 1 second, but for us, it took 5 days! But our seeds have sprouted and we are ready to plant them. So Scientist Maya is going to take out our cotton balls. Remember, you should have 3 in there. Then you are going to take out those napkins because we don't need them anymore. You can throw those away. And now you should find some soil that was left over in your bag. You're going to take that soil and you're going to fill up your cup. You might not need all of your soil. Now we need to create a little home for each of our 3 cotton balls. So Scientist Maya is making little holes that she can fill with her cotton balls. So now she's going to plant those cotton balls into the holes that she just made, and then you're going to want to push some of the soil around the cotton ball so that they're nice and secure in that soil.
This is what our plant looks like after we have planted it, and now it is time to watch our flower grow. So to do this, you're going to place your cup next to a window with lots of sunshine, and you're going to water it regularly. This might be every day, every other day, but just make sure that you are watering it when the soil looks dry.
We had so much fun doing today's lab with you, and we would love to see how your marigolds turn out, so make sure that you submit some pictures on Kajabi so that we can see it. Happy planting! Bye, scientists! We want to give a huge thank you to all of our sponsors who make Ethos in a Bag possible. We would also like to give a big thank you to all of you who decided to do this lab with us today. We hope you had so much fun, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.